today I am going to share with you a very interesting story, and I'm pretty sure you will find this story very interesting and you will learn something from this story, and this story will help you to improve your listening power and you will learn some new vocabs also. So without any delay, let's start. So this is a story of a cunning crane and a clever crab. Okay, so there lived a crane near a pond which was full of fish. But as he was old, so he was unable to. It was very difficult for him to catch any fish, and sometimes he had to remain hungry as well. So he was literally tired of living that life. So he decided to do something for himself. So one day he came up with a plan. What he did that, standing by the pond, he started wailing like this, that soon this pond will dry up, no one will be able to survive, I will have to live by the river instead of staying here anymore. Like this is how he started acting. Okay, so during this a crab heard him and spread the word to the fish in the pond. So the fish started panicking. They did not know what to do now. The cunning crane took advantage of their nervousness. He offered them to carry to the river from the next morning. Everybody in the pond agreed. Every day the crane would fly to the river carrying one fish in his beak. He would fly a distance and smash the fish against a rock and kill it. This way he feasted on one fish after another. One day it was Crab's turn, so he carried him on his back and flew towards the river. Okay, so as they were about to reach, the crab saw the bones of fish lying on the ground. So he understood the whole trick of crane, and he immediately beat the crane on his neck and saved his life. This way he saved the lives of other creature who was in the pond. So that's all about in this video today, guys. I hope you must have learned something from this story. So I will have to leave. I have to go to my work. Okay, I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Till then, take care and keep learning.